Ghana Premier League next season. Congratulations to you, especially for me, Swede All Blacks. Me, you know, I'm a Swede All Blacks pa, and then of course they do Marine and All Blacks. So a monumental
16 years.
Yeah, for the Division 1. Yeah, for the township of Swede. So only Maguna Swede. Oh, caught me maternal side. I need a typha up and baby, I'm in from Achima Cross. So quite the house to Swede. So it's a place I know very well, and. What's now or down in Patem, so it's a place where you know. So, for Swedo to get football back into the Swedo township, and I think they're good, very, very good. Even for the central region where Swedo is as a club, because Botswana Dwarfs is not there in recent times. Yenya mainstay central region club, so to get Swedo All Blacks back, you know, very, very good for them because I'm gonna almost start the central region. Good. Now, you see, this weekend, and now you didn't communicate now about the Ghana Premier League. And the onus is on nations. Say, and then no more when you know. And then no, I like say, as a nation say, born no be the man. He looks as if say, no one have be no so be ama. I
said it drew that stage with
you. You be ama baseke. Cause baseke tenefi. O here point no. Young apostles share or trouble. Young apostles so tenefi. Karela so tenefi. All of the relegation possible teams in your playing at home. It is a Basaka and Shebo we are or co-relegation of a team. Se nation so and Kwanko Sha or the no air to Monchimonka Mube ebe din so be no free on the final day. Our brankese. Because the home form nenye. Se nations are G League to come down to that home form and how they've not managed it well. Our brankese one. But I still expect the nations will not lose this game away at Enyinase. They should be able to win it. In fact, I have a feeling that people from BBN will buzz themselves to Enyinase. Only the Western North from Ashanti region has connected through BBN to that side. And I won't be shocked, say the journey from BBN, people will probably buzz themselves from BBN and go to Enyinase to go and support Baseke Holy Stars to beat nations. And nations, acquire nations, from here, the last time we were Lubo. So if the road from Kumasi straight, only I got a 6 hours. Now, twice we came, I got far exim towards that side. It's a long journey over the Ankobra. And so I could do anything for this game. Tenacious were actually consenting. Plus, one shady year, there's going to be BBN people that will come and amass support for Baseke Fono. And we will be gaining the amount. If BBN nations come out with a point, I think that's good. Omufanko final game in him. Omunya winner and then winner. Then they go into the final game and win it. Maybe my money is on nations. They have done enough. As a club about Ghana Premier League, in even 5 years, but then they are almost there. And I think that they deserve that credit if they're able to win it. And I hope they will be able to win it. And it is the same in terms of your relegation conversation, young apostles, and a very important game for Karela Shah. They put themselves in a good place for the final game to be able to stay in the league. Kotoko, Mediama, nothing so much at stake unless say nations and Timmy and share this weekend. When Timmy and Winnie and that's when you even a draw campona, then Kotoko will begin to smell blood. And same for BBN Gold Stars. All against Chelsea. And yet there's nothing really at stake in some match. It's Rich. I think it's an exciting time. I was saying it this morning. Said, "Baby, Adruno, I had Kenya proper TV coverage. Then we all enjoy the matches. And think before Champions League game, no, na Kenya TV
no be heavy.
Na Kenya nations baseke. Away our Enyinase. Na ye share your friend is saying Kotoko Mediama. Na ye shebi. Obi towards obi ewo Kumasi company will follow some match, now, and it makes it more exciting. I'm praying, say, you better starting next season, would have sorted out all of these issues about coverage. Send me a game me bit a turn because this is an interesting story to tell about the Ghana Premier League.
My team first until one more game in the I say Ghana Trinidad. Yeah, started. Yeah, started pa. Yeah, boy, nice game.
Almost 30 minutes.
Yeah, boy, nice game pa. If you say start here, you dominate possession, and you build up, your transitions, are very, very good. Now, number 7, you see, if you say, one, say, Holy Stars will get support from Baby Any to play this game, especially against nations. na na mbese mbusa say baby any for no mo ebeye sa no would that mean omo gidi say omo so aye de also mo ye to get the win e obrekum ana
Ebia.
brekum so many brekum
Omo Chelsea, yeah.
nti one way now we are more concentrated on
Obi game.
now
Now
what no area nti they must be very very careful. But Rich, whatever the case, nations have more destiny in their own hands. Whatever the case, more destiny in their own hands. And no crack, Baseke Holy Stars and Besobeko relegation. Already in Swatramanko, Legon City score. It is very likely, say, two teams now can. So we fixtures now can. Rich, a quite straight battle between Accra Lions and the Basake.
Kawele.
Because I can say, who should fixtures now can.
Okay.
Because Kaela this weekend, everyone.
Kawela, I mean, let's know her. Kawele bought young apostles.
Oh,
Onu bohum, Kawele bohum.
What you say?
The Jezo Beshe.
Kaela Beshe. But Basake, they are unfortunate to be playing a
League
Naje. And the fixtures, no. Emma games, you know, any what is at stake. A bit the team. Now, we are more relegation now. And a vision. Young apostles. Karela. Basake Holy Stars. Accra Lions. Fortunately for vision, Omanya 3.3 goals from Isuatremain. Fortunately for Karela, they are playing one of Omomuno relegation. And what if
Young Katie for Ghana as a first goal. Jordan Ayew, what a strike. Around I should go Adiama Ghana. Ghana won Trinidad. Near.
Because the way I started the game, we were dominating and BBI said, Yabesha or Monte, and say Jordan, I share the first goal. No, Facebook for animal, you be a more view Kakana and woman was your Facebook. No, Etimia should be what the camera and to swing away. I know Omunyaka cabin, you say, Omu and Philly Jordan there. When you're there for say the idea of Burgum, it's always serious. Whether in feature game or getting captain Zamban, that was a very, very good bed from my brother. When the new power, the commercial, no. This is the near Bresse or Beshe. Now, Rich nations in Rie. Obibeka added to that we are concentrated on nations. I want them to win the league. Nations are me person much league no.
Okay.
And they must be very, very careful. Karim Zito say, or the games now called Premier League in prepare for the finals of the FA Cup. 17 and 70 year.
And even Africa.
And to say games now can so our tournaments be and say games can see one anymore. Or the games be say prepare no for it. Now Rich. So finals of FA Cup ball. Now Africa to prepare. One of the best teams a bit prepare Mediama. Forget baby Omoda league so. They are a very, very good team and they are good drill. For Obi or game be won anymore. Or Bonti I'm expecting Baba has posted him say obey the power. All that Kotoko say Rich. They want to win their games. And because Omo destiny and Shomon Semono will rely on other games and results to see whether they have a chance. And I say, any chance. That is what is in the league. And the man, I catch you say, Tima Feno, Techima 11-1 is Beba. You started game on share first goal. Until the penalty, but here, and I almost 11-1 is Sunya penalty, and I almost a share on next game. No, which the entire me very, very sure so Beba. And I said, I think say they will look more prepared than RTU for no. And me share community galabi Tina, many your colleagues, many didn't come out about this game. Now, Rich, I didn't think that RTO on Omuko Division 1. They are able to get the resources, play the Division 1 and play the playoffs, and even look like they are ready to come back. But Somuba na afeino unwudi ebesi, they lack resources. Na team na aya ya tuna JJ mu, they look like a team na enye ready to play the Premier League. Then enim guasie ne basa then they go back. I didn't think it is
because Division 1 no. Utu kan said there.
Oh yes.
Premier League no
do enye nefsi wa zone antino.
Nti bia won obetu kan gra bia nje
say. Ense da nye.
Ba say dia otu kan.
E dia oboka.
Utu players ne ka.
Yes.
Nti ene number Bob Ghana Premier League na. Omo say ntu players ka. Yentimi kran resi team. Players ya boycott training. Chesen sam na bi.
Nti unim. I was telling one guy we are e wo ban to say. It seems that we are traditional Ghana football follower. A coin be soon reach out to you or come kakra.
Sure.
Because you grew up knowing them in the league. But Rich, in today modern football, I will expect them to prepare themselves and sign up about Premier League. No? And if the preparation means they will play in the Division 1 for about 5-6 years in bar, Rich, so be it. And then, through you Nathaniel, I will the PRO for Swedo All Blacks. Or say, Omube construct stadium. I was Swedo. Say the be on in their bought Premier League. But Rich, those days when we knew Swedo All Blacks in the Premier League. Now a team of resources called Munibi. I think say the long spell our Division 1 no. Ama and you know they've structured the team and near also about one by home and they've labeled before they are coming. And see, Oma prepare muye. Maybe that will help at you. Omunche Division 1. No more from prepare the structures in the BBA. So by the time they come back again, now LB this time around, they are ready to play our Premier League. And yes, they are rich. I don't really agree with Omo and then Bese Christopher Bao Shogo and Mami. So Shogo Mami. And this is the second striker. Why you from the left into rich? Yemfa mena can infa course like
infa course na yentu adwumade so Nshawanzo 4.5 and SMP na yeka nemo megusua me invite obia anwumrei the UEFA Champions League no eba so 7 p.m. But in Nhyira FM yahyehyɛ nneɛma bebree yɛne ebony condom